The future of medicine lies in biotechnology. From gene editing to personalized medicine, breakthroughs in this field will allow us to cure diseases, prolong lives, and enhance our overall well-being. Robots will become our reliable companions and colleagues, automating tasks across various industries. From healthcare to manufacturing, they will revolutionize efficiency, increase productivity, and open up new job opportunities. To combat climate change, renewable energy sources will take center stage. Solar and wind power, coupled with innovative storage solutions, will pave the way for a sustainable future, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. The power of creation will be in our hands with 3D printing. From personalized prosthetics to food and even houses, this technology will transform various industries, making customization and production more accessible than ever. Our homes will become smarter with the Internet of Things. Connected devices will make our lives more convenient, allowing us to control appliances, monitor our health, and optimize energy consumption effortlessly. As we look to the future, these top 10 game-changing technologies will redefine our world. Keep watching our channel to stay updated on the latest advancements.